despite some preferring to spend this festive season upcountry, for those who chose to remain here in Nairobi, the Uhuru Park may have been the place to be this Christmas. Take a look.
Boat rides, Ferris wheels, face painting and long queues. Christmas in Nairobi as witnessed at the country's most famous recreational park, despite many here admitting that the high cost of living had somewhat dampened their Christmas moods, that it seems was not enough to stop them from having a good time.
Sio kama theater the previous years, ni kama imekuwa watu hawafurahi, hawako kama hizi masiku zingine.
Uhuru Park filled to capacity with families seeking to find some thrill this Christmas season was no short of business opportunities for those on the lookout for them.
Mimi ni mfanyikazi wa ngamia. Biashara iko chini kidogo ukilinganisha na last year because saa hii upati pesa zenye ulikuwa kama sasa hivi. Last year ikifika saa hii tulikuwa na kiasi kingi cha pesa.
But it appears the day's biggest winners were these children for whom Christmas couldn't have come any sooner. Nairobi's Luna Park hosting a majority of them as they made merry with their peers.
Imekuwa poa, sasa tumesherekea, nimekuja na wenzetu hapa tuko. Nimeenda kutembelea nyanya ushago, karudi, ndio maana nimekuja huko leo.
Food was in plenty as families unwound their day the best way they know how. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.